my channel, I'm Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, but I also do surprise uploads. I review mostly affordable synthetic wigs, and I do a lot of like wig 101s, wig tips and tricks, just like fun little car vlogs. Today, we are going to review one of the new Dashley wigs by Sensationnel, and I have reviewed 2 so far. One was a banged wig. I think it was unit 2, and then I think I also had unit, I don't know. I definitely had unit 2. I think I did 2 of them so far. And this is Dashley Lace Unit 7. She's a lace front wig, and she's heat safe up to 400 degrees, between 350 and 400. She is, it says it's fast fashion meets hair, deep side parting. It does have baby hairs. I have her in the color Moneypiece Blonde. This one is the Moneypiece Hazel. I do want to get a wig in that color too, and I got her from Wig Types for $22.94. I've already cut her lace, but this is her. She's like just these gorgeous, it's light yucky texture, but if you can see, it's got these like number 2 root, really nice parting space there, and then it's gonna sort of sombre into like a warm chestnut, and then these blonde pieces. Her cap construction is 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps. So let's get her on. I am wearing contacts, colored contacts. These ones are from Siesta line from ColorCon. I have a few reviews up on them. They didn't do too well. So if you want dedicated reviews, I can do that, and if not, I can just mention them when I wear them and just link down below how much they cost and everything. So if you prefer that as opposed to like dedicated contact reviews, then let me know. These ones are in the color Purple Pearl, and I'm really enjoying these. The contacts I get from there are usually like $15 or less. I think those ones might have been $12. I can't remember if Sensationnel is like a larger wig cap. Lace is a little bit hard, actually. And for a new wig, that's surprising. Oh yeah, the wig cap, okay. So this is one of these wig caps. I'm gonna tell you this right now. The wig cap is roomy in terms of this way, but it's short from here to here. I have found the same with some Motown tress wigs as well. All right, where's, all right, she is a right-sided part. Probably 22 at the longest. Ooh. Ooh. It's humpy from being in the packaging. Yeah, the lace is a little bit harder than I would expect, but that's a pretty coloring. All right, let me get this chick together, and then we'll see what I'm talking about, or what I'm working with, or what it is. Together. I like this wig a lot. I wasn't actually sure if I would like this coloring, but I really do. I cut most of the baby hairs off because they were long and weird. I put a little bit of dry shampoo and hairspray in it just to like because it is a little bit silky. It's definitely a silkier texture. It's not a yucky like I thought. And so I kind of wanted to dirty it up a little bit. And I put a little, yeah, these gotta go. I put a little powder in the part. And I'm gonna do something that I don't normally do. I'm gonna try and go in and powder along the knots and see if that blends better. Like, I don't feel like it doesn't blend, but I just want to see. We're just gonna try some things out. Oh, okay, that kind of works. Oh yeah, wow. The part was nice. It didn't need I didn't need to pluck the part like at all. Yeah, here we go. Shimmy shimmy cocoa puff, shimmy 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 shimmy. This is like my favorite powder for the part. This is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro. I have it in the color Cool Beige 10. For me, it's like perfect. I just feel like, I don't know. I don't know if it's like because it's like a matte powder or what. What is? She's gonna get tangly, obviously, because she's already getting tangly. I feel like when you add the shampoo, the dry shampoo, and hairspray, it dirties it up a little bit. I'm just trying to get some of these rogue hairs. Rogue! Yeah, I definitely like this chick. Alright, let's look at her from the back. Yeah, she's about 22 inches. Yeah, I really like this wig. Like I said, it's a roomy wig cap, but it is short from here to here. Like, I feel like it's even like pulling up on me a little bit, if you can see that. And the comb is in. So this is one of those long wigs where I feel like I definitely need the comb. So far, so good. Let me know, like, do you have this wig? Do you like it? Do you have it in another color? I do have another one of the Dashley wigs. I feel like it's unit 2. I wish they would just freaking name them. That should be like a requisite, that you have to name the wig. It just makes it easier to talk about. Yeah, like, I'm really liking her. I think she's super pretty. And we'll see. So far, so good. So, thank you so much for watching. If there is another one of the Dashley wigs that you would like to see reviewed, please put that down below. If there is another sensational wig in general that you want me to review, please put that down below as well. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.